Apple has made the dynamic island actually useful, with apps that let you interact with it using simple gestures. But on Android, that camera cutout usually just sits there, doing nothing. Finally, I found an app that can bring dynamic island-like experience to Android, and you can do a lot more with it. So sit back and enjoy the video. There is a free app called Notch Touch. You can find it on Google Play Store. After installing it, make sure you give the app all the permissions it needs to work properly. When you enable this toggle, it will ask you to allow accessibility permissions. By default, accessibility permissions are disabled for few apps. This is how you fix it. Go to Settings, then Apps. Open Notch Touch. Click on the three dots and allow restricted settings. Then come back to the app and enable Notch Status. Now, you should be able to allow accessibility permissions. Now, tap on Setup Notch area and move this rectangle over the camera cutout. Now your front camera cutout becomes a gesture control button. You can use gestures like single tap, double tap, and various other swipe gestures. There are 8 gestures in total. You can assign different actions to each one. For example, I can assign the widget hub to single tap. Now, when I tap the camera cutout, I get this floating widget hub that starts with a timer. Then I can swipe down to play music, Google search, brightness and volume control, and stopwatch. This gives your phone a completely different look. You can also assign individual actions to your gestures. For example, you can launch camera, take a screenshot, toggle the flashlight, and much more. It's nice to have your favorite actions at your fingertips. But my favorite feature is the ability to open any app with a gesture. So I can assign a gesture to YouTube or any other app and launch it instantly from the camera cutout. You are basically turning an unused part of the screen into a customizable shortcut button. If you want to turn the camera cutout into dynamic island-like experience, Notch Touch is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.